I warmly welcome you all to new learning academic session. Digitalized India, digitalized learning. Here is digital platform of Industry 4.0. So we are learning on online platform. So here today we will discuss a new chapter, new phase, and that chapter is of political science civics, how the state government works. State government works. It is most crucial to understand that India is a democratic country, a federal system where the power is divided between center, union government, state, your state government. And here all the functioning and programming have the accessibility within the regional restricted area that is of your own state boundaries. When you talk about the power, so the all powers of the state lies in the hands of chief minister under the governor. All the powers of state of Uttar Pradesh have been in the hands of Yogi Adityanath, who is honorable chief minister of the Uttar Pradesh state. All the functions are performed under his supervision with different ministries, and he supervises as the leader of all the member of legislative assembly. India has a very vast diversity, regional, cultural, traditional, etc. So here also in political science we have a diversity of region. Each state have their own representative government. So the members of each legislative assembly underwent the process of selection that is called election. And when election of the state government used to take place, so they are called state election, and it is always been after the 5 years. Members of legislative assembly, as India has 28 states, so each state has their own legislative assembly, and each state divided into different areas which is known as its constituencies, and where all the elections used to take place. And when elections used to take place, the people have the power to exercise their voting rights, and with this power they chooses or they elect their own representative, and that person who attained the majority of votes in that region became the member of legislative assembly. MLAs belongs to different parties, and their representation is done by them for the region on behalf of elected personalities given vote for them was always done in the house. A political party who have maximum number of the MLAs became the ruling party. If you attain 50% or less than 50%, then you have attained simple majority. If it is more than 50%, then you have absolute majority. After attaining the majority, you have to choose your leader, and the member of legislative assembly of ruling party chooses their leader, who became the chief minister of the state. Then the key terms of the state government. Federal system, the power is divided between national government, that is union government, central government, or between the state government. Then you have town, the people living in a municipality smaller than a city. Ordinance means to say a law or a regulation which is framed under the guidelines of the constitution and government. Constituent is a voter who lives in particular region and has the power to exercise his voting right to appoint or elect any representative on behalf of him. Constituency is the region where all the constituent lives, and that is an area which is representing and in elections, and one person is elected from that region who will represent that particular constituency. Governor is an official person of the region with the age of 35 and must be a citizen and going to look after all the functions of the state, and he is the nominal head of the state. Here I have shared one map with you all of the Uttar Pradesh state, and this shows each constituency, and this is a representation of your map in these state elections. And here different colors represent this election parties, different color, different parties. It is a representation. So now I have shared one video of news headlines to better. Now coming back again, this is the logo of government of Uttar Pradesh. Here the next picture is the Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh. In the same respect, each state has their own representative symbol, logo, and its own government legislative assembly. This is the house where every time your MLAs meet and decide the fate of yours, because they are elected on behalf of your representation. Each time meetings used to held, they have number of discussions, then the decision get passed, otherwise it has the reassessment of decision. Every political party representation is there before taking the government decision. Government is accountable for its own action in the house, and they have to get their decision passed in the Legislative Assembly. Debate, discuss the issue of the required time. Legislative Assembly, a place, a building which is situated in state capital, and where all the ruling and opposition parties MLAs will meet and discuss their own decision or suggestion, questions related to any issue, and they have equal representation of expression for their opinions. And ministers then reply to the question, try to assure the steps which can be taken and which they will take into consideration to implement their suggestion. Then Chief Minister and other ministers take the decision. If they have taken the decision, they presented in the front of Legislative Assembly and have to be approved before getting implemented. All the MLAs gathered together in Legislative Assembly. So there is one term used as legislature. And this is one of the pictures. Sometimes when you have debate, so it get heat up, it get protest. So it is one of the pictures which I have shared of Uttar Pradesh government. Vidhan Sabha is the Hindi word used for Legislative Assembly of the state. And it is a budget session and where this protest is going on. Then next picture you will see is a smooth functioning. There is government with complete disciplined house. This is complete disciplined house which is having the proper discussion. Ruling and opposition party MLAs are sitting. They are discussing the issue. Now we are wondering that this all came out to us. We have gathered this information. From which source it get released to us? So the answer is newspapers, television, or organization who have been regularly or continuously in the conversation with government. In democracy, there is various way to obtain information. Then people express their views, they initiate action, because in लोकतंत्र it's जनता जो चुनती है और जो आपके आने का सारा आगे का रास्ता बुनती है. Then different departments, so representing different field working, like education department, education working, health department, then health crisis management. Then chief minister and ministers used to sit together and take the decision of the department and then get it passed in the legislative assembly before implementation.
नाथ ने विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस के अवसर पर आज जनसंख्या स्थिरता पखवाड़े की शुरुआत की और कोरोना संक्रमण का प्रसार रोकने और लोगों को समय पर बेहतर इलाज मुहैया कराने के मकसद से स्थापित की गई नई मंडलीय प्रयोगशालाओं का उद्घाटन किया. इस मौके पर योगी ने कहा कि इससे यूपी की जनता को काफी मदद मिलेगी.
उत्तर प्रदेश कोविड-19 के प्रारंभ होने के बाद किस प्रकार की परिस्थितियों को झेला है और सफलतापूर्वक प्रत्येक चुनौती से हम लोगों ने उसका मुकाबला करते हुए सफलतापूर्वक बाहर निकले हैं और प्रदेश की 24 करोड़ जनता को एक सुरक्षित माहौल देने में हमें सफलता प्राप्त हुई. 38,000 टेस्ट प्रतिदिन करने की क्षमता उत्तर प्रदेश ने भारत सरकार के सहयोग से आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के मार्गदर्शन में आज क्षमता विकसित की है. मेडिकल स्क्रीनिंग की व्यापक व्यवस्था, रैपिड टेस्ट के माध्यम से प्रत्येक सस्पेक्टेड केस की जांच करना और फिर कोविड हॉस्पिटल में उनकी व्यवस्था की गई है, तो काफी हद तक मृत्यु दर को नियंत्रित करने में हमें सफलता प्राप्त हो सकती है.
Today we have learned about how state government works. So next time we will learn something else. So thank you for visiting. See you soon again. Thank you.